Hello, my name is Byron Visha, and this is my final year mobile development project, personal macro tracker developed for my mobile application module at London Met. This application was built using Kotlin and Jetpack Compose, and it integrates Firebase for user authentication and cloud storage, as well as APIs like USDA food data and Google Vision for real-time food detection and nutritional lookup. In this demo, I want to walk through the features of the Calz application, how it works in Android Studio, and demonstrating it running on a physical device. Um, if uh, if we launch the application, uh, you can see that the project is using a Jetpack Compose, and throughout the whole UI. Once launched, we land on the splash screen, which checks if the user is authenticated. If not, it just stays on the lock screen. Users can log in either via email, password, or Google Sign In. And let me show you both options. Here we can log in with our email. Here we can log in with Google. For first-time users, registration includes entering basic information such as name, age, height, weight, and an email and password. This data is saved in Firebase Firestore under the user's document. After logging in, users are taken to the home screen. Here you can see a personalized greeting and today's date. Below that, we see the macro targets and current totals are displayed using animated cards with progress indicators for calories, protein, carbs, and fats. These values update in real time based on meal logged. Now moving to the log screen, these screens act more like of a daily food diary. Meals are separated by type, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So if we try to add a food, let's say salad, we're gonna see all the options that are fetched from the food API. And we add one. We can also add multiple quantities. Once it's saved, it updates in the summary panel as well for today. If we go back, we don't have anything. We go back. So if you go back to 1st of May, we have logged some meals. And also we can make some notes. We can add quantity, we can delete, and here it will update across. And also moving to the camera screen with Vision API, clicking on the camera tab, users can capture a photo of their meal using this feature. So in another phone, I have a picture of a salad, which I'm gonna try to take. Now it's using the Google Vision API to fetch the data. It detects food labels and the images, and then user can select one to trigger the USDA search and log it. So here we can see we have many options. We select the one that is suitable for us. We check on salad, and it finds the option To test it on another food, we can just um, we can type nuts, and we're gonna see if it's working. Here in the top, we can select which one we want, lunch, dinner, or snack. And here, yes, we see nuts and seeds. Here we have all the options, and we can see that has been updated in the meal log and in the totals. On the progress screen, user can view charts of their nutritional history or weight data. The line graph uses MPA under a chart to visualize and changes over time. You can switch between metrics like calories, proteins, and carbs, or fats, or weight, and we can toggle between weekly or monthly views. There is also a BMI tab showing calculated the BMI trend, and here we see we are on a normal base, and a black line which is here will show us if we are overweight, underweight, or and so on. Moving to the settings screens, which allows the users to update their profile and set daily macro targets. So changes are immediately reflected in calculations and the BMI charts. Users can also log out securely from this screen. So if we try to change the weight, the BMI has updated. So if we put 120, we see the BMI graph has updated. Here we can also update the targets, the goal targets. And we see that here it's been updated. We can close the application and we can open it again. And we see that all the data is still there because it's connected to the Firebase. We can log out, a confirm layout will come out, and we select yes. And that's all. Performance is smooth, and Firebase ensures data consistency across sessions. In the future, I plan to use wearable integration, reminders, or social features for shared journeys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this demo.